Now, the very first time I went to Hippo Point, my experience was awkward, a little bit weird. Well, this is why, because when I went there, each and every time I had people talk about Hippo Point, nilikuwa nadhani ni place ingine iko na structures, like so many structures. It's a well put place. You go sit, it's like a restaurant, you order your food, you know, like a setup. But when I went there, I found an empty place. Yes, and I was like, how do people come here and then they say they're having an amazing time? Like, how do people have fun at this place? Well, let me show you. Why do you like coming to Hippo Point?
I like coming to Hippo Point because first, I like the view of the lake. I like the breeze. I like it here because it gives me that freedom feeling away from home. Yeah, I can do anything I want, but not anything.
What do you mean not anything? When you say anything, what do you mean anything you want?
Okay, you know, different people have different perspectives on Hippo Point.
Yeah.
Some people come here to stone, like smoke weed, drink alcohol, but I just come here to relax, enjoy the breeze, see the sunset, and go home.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I think about so many things, but when I'm here, it's so peaceful. I don't know if it's because of the lake, because it's so peaceful, and then it gives me some sort of, it gives me a vibe. You won't understand, but there's some sort of vibe that comes when you sit at the lake and then you just have it and look at it, and then you find the sunset, which is what I'm waiting for right now. Willow, Claire, and Godfrey. and just want them to tell us the experience about this place, because this is pretty much their second time. Yeah. Go ahead.
It's a nice place. You can see the sunset. It's very nice. Many people, the serenity is nice. It's a nice place to come and chill.
What about you, Godi?
Okay, me I can say, you know we are used to Boston. Sun, sex, sunny beaches. There is no sun. Oh, there is sex. So you come.
Yes. Yeah, what do you come here for?
For the sun. Sex maybe.
Sex maybe.
Just look for yourself.
Actually, this is one fine place to chill. It's one fine free zone, but someone can chill. I think it's a good place. Oh, it's a free zone. Actually, you can smoke weed. No one can interfere with you. Yeah, you can drink how much you like, and
And you can get a takeaway.
Yeah, I think it's a better place.
Yeah, we can get a takeaway.
All right.